Hello, this is Tafur from Tafur Llc. I'm driving around Shelton, Connecticut right now, and the roads, some of them are clear. The one that is like not the main roads is still really bad, so be careful if you have to go out. Anyway, I want to thank everybody who does the snow cleaning. Thanks for them has been more than 24 hours working, and that's a brave job. I can imagine what the the pain that they went through, because yesterday was snowing. Everybody wants to see the snow, but it was snow, it was windy, it was cold, so it was brutal out there. So I just want to thank everybody who make these roads clean, and I hope we don't have one more like that. All right, thank you. Bye bye.